What is your name? What is your name? My name is Rahman. My name is Rahman. Where are you from? Where are you from? I am from India. I am from India. What do you do? What do you do? I am a student. I am a student. How old are you? How old are you? I am 20 years old. I am 20 years old. What time is it now? What time is it now? It's 8 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. Are you busy now? Are you busy now? No, I am free. No, I am free. What are you doing? What are you doing? I am studying English. I am studying English. Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Can you help me? Can you help me? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. Where are you going? Where are you going? I am going home. I am going home. What do you want? What do you want? I want some water. I want some water. Is this your phone? Is this your phone? Yes, it's mine. Yes, it's mine. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. What will you eat? What will you eat? I will eat rice. I will eat rice. Do you like tea? Do you like tea? No, I don't like tea. No, I don't like tea. When will you come? When will you come? I will come tomorrow. I will come tomorrow. Who is he? Who is he? He is my friend. He is my friend. How much is this? How much is this? It's 50 rupees. It's 50 rupees. What happened? What happened? Nothing serious. Nothing serious. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready. Why are you late? Why are you late? Because of traffic. Because of traffic. Do you understand? Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand. Shall we go now? Shall we go now? Yes, let's go. Yes, let's go. What do you need? What do you need? I need help. I need help. Is it raining? Is it raining? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Where is the hotel? Where is the hotel? I don't know. I don't know. Where is the toilet? Where is the toilet? It's over there. It's over there. What's your problem? What's your problem? I am feeling tired. I am feeling tired. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Yes, you can. Yes, you can. What day is today? What day is today? Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Do you have time? Do you have time? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. How was your day? How was your day? It was good. It was good. What do you think? What do you think? I think it's good. I think it's good. Are you coming with me? Are you coming with me? Yes, I am coming. Yes, I am coming. What are you looking for? What are you looking for? I am looking for my keys. I am looking for my keys. Do you know him? Do you know him? Yes, I know him. Yes, I know him. Is everything okay? Is everything okay? Yes, everything is fine. Yes, everything is fine. What do you like most? What do you like most? I like music. I like music.